While everyone knows only four phrases of Ho'oponopono, but there is a secret fifth phrase that's shared by Dr. Hewlin, and that secret phrase creates instant transformation. And the phrase is, I forgives myself. Yes, I forgives myself. Forgives with an S. It is intentional but very powerful. When I started practicing 108 times, I actually experienced instant peace, amazing breakthroughs in my all four areas, that is health, relationships, career, and financial life. Want 108 times chanting session? So it is already available in my YouTube channel. Go and check it out and do practice because your transformation starts only when you forgive yourself. So are you ready? Bye bye.